So I've given away a little bit, if you've paid close attention during the demonstration, about why this has happened. So take a moment, think about why the different colored salt solutions layered the way they were. Now remember, the only things they contain are water, salt, and food coloring. They're all made of the same thing. So why did they stack up in different layers? Why were some successes and why were some failures? Now, if you want a little bit of a hint, you might want to know about the recipe that I used to make these solutions. The red liquid is really just food coloring and water. In the green solution, I added 80 grams of salt. In the yellow or in the orange solution, I added 160 grams of salt. And finally, in the blue solution, I added 240 grams of salt. And each one of those was for approximately 500 milliliters of water. Put it on a hot plate in an Erlenmeyer flask and got that salt to dissolve up in there. And so when you think about part number 2 on this, why did these layer up in these different manners, you might want to use that recipe to help guide you a little bit. And then you might also want to take a look at the straw column document and see if you can go ahead and label, figure out how to add some color to that, maybe use the font option to demonstrate which layered up. Where was there the most salt? Where was there some salt? Where was there a little bit of salt? And where was there no salt in this successful straw column that we made, the one that looks just like this: blue, yellow, green, and red. I'll let you think on that a little bit. Tomorrow when we come back, we're going to think a little bit more about weight. We're going to think a little bit more about density, maybe do a little math, crunch some numbers. And so we'll see how all these things play out. Take care, y'all. Bye now.